I'll get you guys a couple pulls here. Just messing around a little bit. Try to get a dead stop, but it's probably gonna spin. It's a little cold outside. Still yet. The tires are cold. Try to get a little flash. And that spun, guys, about 10-15 feet there, and then hit second. You can probably hear it. That's the proper way to launch with a flash stall converter, minus the spinning there. You don't want to bring your converter up on your brake if you do not have a trans brake. You always want to leave off of idle. That's how you get the full performance out of your flash stall converter. I've tried it both ways at the track. Every time I load it up, my time gets worse. Now you can just bring it up about 200 RPM from idle. Just about 200 RPM from idle, just to get it off to a smooth idle, then hit it. But most of the time I'll just leave it at idle, then whack it real hard. Guys, and try to do it a couple more times. Tires are pretty cold, and it's not that warm, not too warm outside. It says 72, but that's off. It's a little colder than that. Try to turn around here. Try to do another dead stop if I can. Don't know if I'm gonna get to or not. There's a lot of traffic. We'll try to do a gear it down here. Roll racing these types of cars, guys, if you got the nag 1, 8-speed, whatever, you want to gear it down, because these Hemis have their sweet spots where they'll kick down, where they won't kick down. So the best way if you're roll racing is to gear it down in a good gear, then hit it. You want to get about close to 4,000 RPM on the tack from a roll. From a dead stop, just leave and drive. Works out best. We'll go up here and try to get another dig. It's probably going to spin again. I really can't stop and do a burnout. It's too much on the road that I'm on. It ain't the greatest. There's a lot of dust too. We'll try to get one more hit. Try to do it one more time, guys. Nothing's coming here. Real fast. On idle. The tires need to air down a little bit. Now I'll come out half throttle on this one, then lay into it, and it should hook. warmer outside, guys. These tires usually hook pretty good on the road. It just depends on the road. Plus, they're about 20 pound of pressure right now, and they need our down to around 17 to 15 on the street. In hotter weather, they do a lot better. But at the track, I don't even have to touch that tire pressure. They dead hook at the track with the prep and stuff. I leave my traction control off all the time. I have a switch wired in over there that's connected to it. Because in the regular RTs, you can't fully turn them off unless you do the little key trick. But there's a little box underneath the console. You take it back, and there's a wire under there. I forget the color. It's got a light purple stripe on it. You cut it and then wire it and splice into a switch. The only sucky part is to reset it. You have to completely turn the car off, flip the switch back on, and then start the vehicle back up. But I usually don't even mess with it. I leave it off all the time. We'll try one more. It's wide open. She's not wanting to hook today, guys. It's spinning, but kind of hooking at the same time. But the road's just too cold, too much dust on it. I'll try to do a first gear roll here. Now my transmission is locked in first gear. I had to shift it once when I put it in manual mode. That's how we got it set up. I'll try to grab it quick as I can, trying to film and do everything at the same time here. Try it, guys.